Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to show the zoom control on your iPhone screen running iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So let me show you how to enable the zoom control menu on your screen. So first, let's enable zoom. You can do this by going to settings, then tap on accessibility, next tap on zoom, and then enable this feature. Once that is enabled, it'll zoom in. Now using your 3 fingers, triple tap on the screen until you come to this menu. You're going to tap on Show Controller, and now you get this zoom controller here on screen. Now you can hold and press, and you can basically go anywhere you like on the screen. If you double tap, it'll zoom out. If you double tap again, it'll zoom in. And that is how to see your zoom controller on your iPhone screen running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.